Are you looking for a great place to start? Are you looking for maybe an escape in the city? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 102 Artesia Private. This beautiful two-bedroom pied-à-terre offers a private terrace, hardwood flooring, 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths, and is a great open concept place for you to set up shop. Come on in and have a look. I hope you enjoyed your visit to 102 Artesia Private. If this property looks to be of interest to you and you'd like to get further information or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time. I look forward to hearing from you soon.